Hey, my name is Kimberly Holmes. I'm the CEO of Marriage Helper. And first, let me say that I'm really glad that you are considering attending our workshop. I'm glad because I know the amazing life change and marriage transformation that happens for the couples that we're able to work with. But I also understand that right now, you may be a little scared. It may be that you are scared to ask your spouse to even attend the workshop with you. Or it may be that you are scared that you will ask your spouse, they'll agree to go, and it still won't work for you. I completely understand how you feel. And with the thousands of people who have attended our workshop, the majority of people who came were in your shoes at one point. They had a spouse who was completely unwilling to attend, not wanting to work on the marriage, and it felt totally hopeless. In every workshop, we will have couples where an affair is currently going on, spouses who are separated and not living together, sometimes separated by cities, states, or even continents. We'll have couples where divorce papers have been filed or even signed. We'll have spouses who are only coming because they want to learn to be better co-parents. We will have couples who have struggled with fights, communication, disrespect, and control issues for years, where they don't even like being in the same room with each other. We will have spouses who are struggling with addictions. We will have couples recovering from affairs. We will have couples recovering from an affair where the wife got pregnant with the other man's baby, or where the husband's affair partner got pregnant with his child, and the list goes on. There is almost nothing that we have not seen or haven't worked with, and nothing can scare us away. Every single workshop, there will be multiple couples there, and I can almost guarantee you that several of those couples will be in the same situation as you. You are not alone in what you are going through. And you are not alone in the fear of asking your spouse to go to this with you. In this video, I want to share with you some things to think about and a couple of tips for how to ask your spouse to go to the workshop if that is what you end up choosing to do. Your spouse does not have to want to fix the marriage in order for you to come to the workshop or in order for you to get value from it. If you are thinking that you will wait and ask when your spouse is ready to fix things, then you may miss your chance because that may not happen. The majority of spouses that attend the workshop come not wanting to make the marriage work. They only attend because their spouse asked them to, and sometimes because the spouse offered them something to get them to attend. This does not affect the success rate of the workshop. But first, I want you to take a second and think about your current marriage situation right now. You have two choices. You can either continue to live in the current situation that you're in, or you can do something to change it. It may be that deep down, you have become kind of okay with the way things are. You wouldn't think that on the surface, but is there part of you that is scared to ask your spouse to do something because deep down, you're scared of making things worse? Are you kind of hoping that maybe time will heal this? That one day things are going to just change? You'll wake up and feel like it was just a really bad dream. The chances of that happening are very, very slim. In many circumstances, if you do nothing and hope that time will fix things, that if you wait long enough, everything will work out, it won't. Doing nothing will change nothing. And I know that it is scary to get the courage to ask your spouse, and I know that you're scared. But let me ask you, what are you scared of? Are you scared of them saying no? Are you scared of them getting angry? Are you scared of it pushing them even further away? I completely understand how you feel in all of those situations. Many people that we have worked with felt the same way until they found that asking their spouse to attend is scarier in the mind than it is in real life. In the next video, I'm going to share with you some best tips on how to approach your spouse about the workshop. And I encourage you to look through our reviews on our Facebook page, on Google, and on our website. We have also compiled a short video where we share testimony cards that people fill out at the end of each workshop. Our workshop has a 99% referral rate. That means from all of the people who attend our workshop, including the spouses who didn't want to be there, 99% of them say it's the best thing they ever did and would recommend it to anyone who was looking to come. And that's because we will never judge. We will always treat you and your spouse with respect no matter what has happened. And we will always teach you the best scientifically based principles that actually work to fix your relationship. Please do not let fear stop you from doing something to fix your marriage. Please do something. Whether it's our workshop or something else, pick what you believe in, what you trust. And I do hope that that's us. But if you are afraid that this is your last shot and it won't work, here's what I can tell you. It may not. I wish I could promise you that it would, but even if it doesn't, this is still the best thing that you could have done for you, your spouse, for your children, and for your future. That I can promise you.